Jesus Christ. Much on. Come, see your body. See your body.
What's happening?
Man, get up, get up, get up.
What do you mean, man? Get up, get up, get up.
Come, get up. See you. No,
what's now?
I beg, see blood everywhere. See your.
Which blood everywhere? I don't know if they fear. You they dream?
My friend, get up. See blood through your this thing. I they talk, they say what I they do. I beg, get up.
What's now?
See you they leak. Your yash they leak.
My yash they leak. Which can't talk with that one?
Your menstruation, see how you stay. You through your, you stay your this thing.
Jesus.
I beg, get up. No turn like this. So get up.
Okay, follow myself. My life not join the best.
Get up, man. You no stand this thing now.
I don't tire. No, you know I know why I don't tire. Beg. Tomorrow I will clean her.
My friend, get up. How you go carry this thing? This sit down like that. I beg, get up. You know I know they like this thing.
Hello beautiful families, good evening and welcome back to my channel. I say what? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. My name is Blessing, aka Lolo, aka Sexy Mother of Four in the building. I'm telling this one sweet me. You know, since I know they use my AKA again. I know when I call it, say, oh, Lolo, don't forget the AKA. No, I don't forget my AKA. My AKA Side Atala. Side ready, okay? So guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm very happy to do this prank on Ingwe. Today is prank video, okay? So today is the right time to do this prank. Maybe after I show you guys the prank, many women will know the reason why I say this is the right time for this prank. Okoro. So Igwe is not around. You know, Igwe work night work. You go to work afternoon 3 o'clock. He will close 11:30 in the night, and then they will drive home 12 o'clock. We'll be at home. So look at my kids. My kids always make noise. I don't even know. They will be shouting. They will be shouting. Nobody's beating them. They will be shouting and then screaming. Maybe the neighbor now will hear. We think that maybe their father or their mother is beating them. No, they always behave like that. But let us just leave them aside, okay? So the prank is, guys, I have my new trouser here. This trouser, man, I love this trouser so much, okay? So, and then I have my fake blood here. So as I'm saying before, it will come at 12 o'clock for midnight, and now is 9:13. Okay, I hope you guys can see it. 9:13. So maybe we have like 3 hours time for Igwe to come home. Okay, yeah, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 3 hours time. Okay, so the prank is I'm using my ring light in case you see that the color here change, is because I don't want ring light to be here. If the ring light is here, Igwe will know that it's a prank. So after I finish making my intro, I'm going to face where I can hide the camera or inside the flower here, because I will sleep here like this. Okay, maybe I will put it here or I put inside the flower there. I'm going to face it where you cannot see it, but if this ring light is here, you can see it, okay, and you know that it's a prank. So I will remove everything. So if I hear that he wants to open the door, I will rush and on the camera, because every time you want to open the door, I always hear the noise. You want to open the door, then I will know that okay, it's my husband. Okay, so if I hear the noise, I will rush and on the camera, and then rush and wear my. If I see that there's no time, I'm going to lock the door. Then I will on the camera, wear my trouser. Then I will pretend like I'm sleeping. Okay, like I'm sleeping. I'm going to open the door. Then fall back to bed. I pray that is seeing my bum, because that is why I'm going to use this white trouser. So okay, without wasting of you guys' time, without too much talk, I just want to put this blood now, because I want the blood to dry before it came back. If not, if the blood is not dry, if I sleep here, it can my kiss, it can stay the bed straight. Okay, so I'm going to do this now. Then I'll go and keep it. I love the door because of the kiss. Oh, This my friend trouser. Probably don't know easy. Probably don't know easy. Probably don't know easy. Okay, you do like this. Yeah, you do like this. Okay. After I finish, I'll use put them bleach to soak it in tomorrow. Like tomorrow, not again. Okay. Look at it now, guys. I don't know if I show it. That is why I'm dressing bag so that we not too much show because of the camera. Okay, so look at it, guys. I'm going to leave it this way, and then if you come back, I will wear it, and then we will see his reaction. Okay, so that is it. Let's wait for him to return. Talk to you guys later. So guys, it's a prank time. It's a prank time, and then now is 11:56. 11:56. Okay, so now it's 11:56. I have 11:57 now, so I have just 3 minutes. Igwe will come back around 12 o'clock. So the kids are already sleeping. As you can see, they don't hear their noise again. So I just finished having my bed, eat, and wait for Igwe to come back. I'm here watching movie, and I'm feeling sleepy. I'm feeling sleep, but I don't want to sleep because of this prank. Okay, so guys, fat spray. Okay, I want to show you this fat spray. I will spray it on my bum bum a little bit so that here we have some smell. Okay, here we have some smell so that this prank will be a lovely prank. Okay, so let me just put on the camera and then spray it and lie down and then wait for him. Okay, because we don't really have time again now. Let me check the time. Oh, 58. We have 2 minutes. Let me check. I need to also get my trouser. Oh my god. See, I'm going to put it here. Then we use this thing to cover it because that place is not good. Okay, I'm going to put it here. Okay, so I'm going to cover it with this cloth. Okay.
Jesus Christ. Much on. Come, see your body. See your body. Man, get up.
What's wrong with you, man? Get up.
Come, get up. See you. No,
What's in
I beg, see blood everywhere. See your.
Which blood everywhere? I don't know if they fear. Did they dream?
My friend, get up. See blood through your this thing. They talk. They say what I they do. I beg, get up.
What's in
See you the leak. Your yash the leak.
My yash the leak. Which can't talk with that one?
Your menstruation. See how you stay. You through your. You stay your this thing.
Jesus.
I beg, get up. No turn like this. So get up.
Okay, follow myself. My life not just the best.
Get up, man. No stand this thing now.
I don't tire. No, you know I know why I don't tire. Tomorrow I will clean her.
My friend, get up. How you go carry this thing? This sit down like that. I beg, get up. You know I know they like this thing.
I go up here in the parrot like this.
I beg you know I don't like that kind of thing. Why you go leave yourself? Which kind of nonsense is that? You dey sleep. Okay, I wake you. Tell you say see your body don't well. You see blood for your pants everywhere.
Now go Peter in the shop like this.
Man, you know they use this thing they play with me. You know I don't like this thing.
It don't reach like that.
Man, this Macho man, I beg, get up. I don't want to see this thing, please. Please get up.
I'll bet tomorrow I don't tire. Tomorrow, I beg. If you stay at, I clean her. Not this one, nah. Tomorrow I clean her. Call my hand and get up now soon. Call my hand and get up now. Call my hand and get up.
If I hold your hand, you will carry your nyash for the bed. Turn like this, follow like this, now
Okay.
get up.
Oh yeah, come stand for me, Johnny. Okay, because I need to sleep for a year now.
You know what you will do? Huh? You know what? You will stay there. You will stay there. I will leave you come out.
You don't reach like that.
How you go? I think I do not go carry out this thing. Ah, now stay there. Something not dey sonor you.
Wetin dey sonor person?
I beg you, girl.
Abeg I don sleep. If you wan go,
I carry out the other this thing.
Carry. Carry abeg. Because of period, you dey park, dey leave me for inside room.
I beg you, which kind of nonsense is that? How you go carry this thing? And they talk sef, you know they serious. Instead of you to.
If you park comot for this road, come back.
I beg you, girl.
If you park comot for, you don come back here.
Girl, sit
Oh yeah,
down.
they go now.
Carry that thing comot.
They go. They go. Now they talk too much. They go. Bye. If you ask, you go. Don't ever come back here. Don't worry, I will sleep with my period.
I beg you, how you go carry this thing? I talk to you, you still like that for that place. I cook my come out and leave you. Which kind of nonsense is that?
Me na ask you where they park. They go.
What?
Na frank I dey take you.
Which thing be frank? Sit down for your nash, you say frank.
Guys, so people should ask me to ask you where they park. They go. I need to ask you where they park. They go. Hey, they park. They go. Because of period, you carry your best friend. See me go couple best friend. You won't go sleep.
Which kind?
Because of period, you go sleep. Because of period, now you can sleep for here. You see your life. You see your life. Na fake blood that I put. See, you know something not staying at times. See, I have a new bath. A new bath enter us. Now fake blood that I put. Fake blood. And why am I doing like that? So that you go believe say yes na him. Yes. Normally I dey do my mazes. Now it's okay. Now I use this time. I use self know say I dey do my mazes. So now it's okay. If you can't be there, you join there. As I know I dey see the thing now. That's okay. Why you come and use and take prank you go now? Since you don't know say I dey do the thing. Now you carry your teeth run come follow. See your life.
I beg, come on, you guys. Don't they touch me, I beg. I beg, come on.
Shake it.
I beg, go watch that thing.
I'll go soak my nigga with bleach.
I beg, no they do me that kind of prank, I don't pardon.
I'll go wash her with bleach. So guys, I will hear this video over here. Hope you all enjoy watching. If you do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. So I'm going to look my yash. What do my yash? What do my yash, guys? Guys, I get him badly. See the part from face room. Get up now. Even me say I don't have this prank. As they talk, I they smile. You know who no say this girl they smile. You know serious. I want they smile. I don't know the time we do the corner. I arrange the tea for ground. I arrange the tea for ground. I say go so call. Before I dey watch movie, and I tell you the door they do bang 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 like person. I say okay, bago. It's just your enter as you dey shout Jesus Christ.
I like God sit there, come on here.
I love you, love. I like
the
since they walk now, you know they follow me, they do video again. So when they prank me there. So guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye. I tell you bye. The banner.
Bye.